Hello, welcome. Hope you are doing well. We'll be handling a question on first principle to determine 3x squared. So basically, the formula for first principle is f of x prime equals to limit of h as h approaches to 0. This one will give us f of x plus h minus f of x everything divided by h. H is a very small value, only that we cannot write 0 because we cannot have a denominator that is 0. That is why we provide h. And therefore, with 3x squared, now 3 represent f and the x remains to be x in our formula. Therefore, where we have 3, where we have f, we put 3 in our formula. And in this case, we just put 3 where we have f, and we have 3x plus h squared minus 3x squared, everything divided with h. And with this, we can open the bracket from the numerator, and then we have limit of h as it approaches to 0. As h approaches to 0, we'll have 3x plus h, then x plus h again, because it is a square, and therefore with this we subtract 3x squared and everything under h. Then we can open the bracket, so we'll have 3x times x, we'll have x squared, then x multiplied by h, we'll have xh, then h times x, we still have xh, and then h times h, we'll have h squared. With this, then we subtract 3x squared, everything divided with h. So with this, we can open the bracket. So I have 3x squared, then 3 times xh, we'll have 3xh, then 3 times xh again, we have 3xh, and then 3 times h squared, we'll have 3h squared. Then I subtract 3x squared, this one here, and then everything divided with h. So 3x squared minus 3x squared, this one will give us 0, therefore we cancel this one. And h, as h is limited to 0, we have this, so we have 3xh plus 3xh plus 3h squared, everything divided with h. And therefore h is I can take the right terms together, so 3xh plus 3xh, we have 6xh plus 3h squared, everything divided with h. In our case, we take h outside because it's common, so I have h, so I have 6x, h is taken outside, plus 3h, then I divide with h, this one. So h is divisible, so we can divide that one with h, and then we have 6x plus 3h. Remember, our h is limit to 0, approaches to 0, and therefore we have 6x plus 3, we multiply by 0, and therefore we have our answer is 6x. So that is how we apply 3x squared using the first principle to get 6x. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to my channel and join me in my example 2